In this VX audio guide, we will explain where a car audio ground point can be connected, how factory ground points should be evaluated, and how to check ground voltage difference with a multimeter. The goal is simple: prove the ground path under load before blaming the audio equipment. Good ground locations include a properly prepared chassis point near the amplifier, a strong factory ground stud, a rear ground bus tied to the chassis, or the battery negative terminal when the system design calls for a direct return. Avoid thin brackets, painted surfaces, loose bolts, seat rails used only as sliders, or any point that is not solidly connected to the vehicle body or frame. Factory ground points are often good because the manufacturer already tied them into the vehicle grounding network, but do not assume every factory point is suitable for high current audio. Check that the stud is mounted to structural metal, the contact is clean, the bolt is tight, and the point is not overloaded with sensitive modules or small factory wiring. A high-power amplifier may need a dedicated ground path or ground bus. To test ground voltage drop, set the multimeter to DC millivolts. Connect the black meter lead to battery negative. Connect the red meter lead to the amplifier ground terminal or the ground distribution block you want to test. Play music with bass or use a steady test tone at a realistic load. The meter now shows how much voltage is being lost in the ground return path. If the reading is high, move the red probe step by step. Test from the amplifier ground terminal to the local chassis point, then from that chassis point to battery negative. You can also compare the amplifier ground terminal to the rear battery negative if there is a rear battery. This helps identify whether the problem is the short ground cable, the chassis connection, or the longer vehicle return path. AC millivolts is a different check. Use AC millivolts when you are looking for unwanted ripple, alternator noise, or noise riding on the ground reference. For example, place black on battery negative and red on the amplifier ground, then compare AC millivolt readings with the engine off and with the engine running. For normal ground voltage drop, use DC millivolts. For noise investigation, AC millivolts can provide extra clues. The VX audio process is to choose a strong ground point, clean it to bare metal, tighten the hardware, protect the connection, and measure voltage drop under load. Use DC millivolts for ground loss. Use AC millivolts only when checking for noise or ripple. Once the ground path is verified, tuning and speaker evaluation become much more reliable.